AlphaFold 3 open-sourced for enhanced AI in drug discovery.
Google DeepMind has open-sourced AlphaFold 3's code and model weights, enhancing research in protein interactions and drug development. This updated version not only predicts protein structures, but also models complex interactions with DNA, RNA, and small molecules. AlphaFold 3 utilizes a diffusion-based approach that aligns closely with molecular physics, improving efficiency and reliability in predictions. The tool outperforms traditional physics-based methods in accuracy, particularly in predicting protein-ligand interactions. While limitations in predicting dynamic structures exist, the release promises significant advancements in understanding diseases and developing new treatments.
AI companies pursue new strategies to overcome current limitations.
AI firms, including OpenAI, are soon ways to tackle delays and difficulties in training large language models by implementing more human-like thinking methods for algorithms. Several AI scientists are reconsidering the effectiveness of simply scaling up models with more data and computing power, as results from such approaches seem to have plateaued. The recent focus has shifted to test-time compute, a technique that improves AI model performance during their use, allowing them to explore multiple potential answers before concluding. OpenAI's new model, O1, is a prime example of this approach, enabling multi-step reasoning, similar to human thought processes, and improving decision-making capabilities. As AI companies innovate, the competitive landscape for hardware may change, potentially reducing reliance on NVIDIA's chips, which have dominated the market thus far.
Advancements in AI for global flood forecasting.
The latest flood forecasting AI model from Google offers a reliable 7-day lead time for predicting floods, comparable to the best nowcasts available today. This model enhances flood prediction capabilities by integrating additional data sources, improving accuracy in regions with limited streamflow measurements. Key improvements include the incorporation of Google DeepMind's global weather forecasting model and an increase in training data from nearly 6,000 to about 16,000 gauges. The model's evaluation process now utilizes historical satellite imagery to validate forecasts in regions with sparse gauge data, significantly expanding its applicability.
AlphaFold 3 revolutionizes protein prediction capabilities.
Google DeepMind has launched AlphaFold 3, enhancing its protein prediction model to include interactions with DNA, RNA, and ligands, marking a significant advancement over AlphaFold 2. The new system utilizes an upgraded evoformer module and a diffusion network to refine molecular structure predictions from noisy atom arrangements, achieving a 50% increase in accuracy for protein-ligand interactions. Although AlphaFold 3 is accessible for non-commercial research through the AlphaFold server, it has usage restrictions, including a cap on daily predictions and limitations on drug-related protein structures. DeepMind's spin-off Isomorphic Labs is actively employing AlphaFold 3 for drug design, aiming to expedite the development of novel therapeutic solutions.
Shift towards test-time compute in AI development.
Major AI companies are moving away from creating larger language models, now focusing on the concept of test-time compute due to limitations in traditional scaling methods. This new approach allows AI systems to spend more time solving problems by generating multiple solutions and carefully evaluating them. OpenAI's co-founder Ilya Sutskever highlights the importance of scaling the right elements in AI, emphasizing a shift from the previous bigger is better mindset. The transition to test-time compute could disrupt NVIDIA's leading position in AI hardware, as other companies develop specialized chips for these tasks.
New AI model transforms selfies into personalized art styles.
A novel AI model can convert selfies into various artistic styles while preserving facial features. This zero-shot image-to-image model combines personalization and stylization to produce high-quality, unique selfies. By using image and control adapters, the model captures facial nuances and enhances expressions specified in text prompts. Users can explore diverse artistic styles and modify expressions while maintaining the likeness of the original image.
Expanding immersive learning with AI in higher education.
Meta has launched the Meta for Education beta program, collaborating with universities in Europe to test new educational applications for VR and XR on Quest devices. Universities like Imperial College London and the University of Leeds are participating to provide feedback and enhance educational experiences through immersive technologies. Additionally, Meta is developing metaversities in partnership with Victory XR, allowing students to attend classes in a virtual environment that replicates their physical campuses. Studies indicate that using VR in education can significantly boost engagement, comprehension, and retention, which may revolutionize learning methods in these institutions.
Frontier Math Benchmark reveals AI challenges in complex math tasks.
A new benchmark named Frontier Math shows that advanced AI models perform poorly on complex mathematical problems, often solving less than 2% of the tasks presented. Created by a team of over 60 mathematicians, Frontier Math includes hundreds of challenging problems from fields like number theory and algebraic geometry, with experts affirming their difficulty and accuracy. The stark contrast between scores on standard benchmarks and Frontier Math highlights that current tests do not adequately assess the full range of AI capabilities, particularly basic reasoning and autonomous problem solving. The Epoch AI team plans to expand this benchmark to track AI's progress in mathematical reasoning, as well as to publish more example problems for better understanding of AI limitations.
Waymo develops extensive dataset on vulnerable road users' injuries.
Waymo has created a comprehensive dataset focusing on injuries involving pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists, which it claims is the largest of its kind in the U.S. This dataset was developed through a partnership with Nexar to analyze 335 crash incidents from anonymized driving data, predominantly from New York City. The research aims to enhance the safety of autonomous vehicles by better understanding the risks faced by vulnerable road users in urban environments.
Generative AI tools see significant growth trends.
ChatGPT continues to lead in user traffic, with recent reports showing visits soared to 3.7 billion globally in October, marking a significant increase over previous months. NotebookLM, Google's AI note-taking service, also experienced impressive growth, with monthly users rising by 300% in September and 21% in October, as it provides efficient research tools and AI-generated summaries. Other AI tools like Microsoft's Copilot and Claude AI are also gaining traction, with notable traffic increases, highlighting a broader trend of rising interest in generative AI services.
Unlocking insights of AI through Markov chains.
Recent research suggests that applying the Markov chain mathematical technique could reveal insights into generative AI and large language models, LLMs. These tools could model the state transitions in LLMs, similar to predicting outcomes in statistical sampling, providing a clearer understanding of their operational mechanics. A recent study interprets LLMs as Markov chains, offering experimental evidence that highlights their inference capabilities and the structured behavior of their responses.
Google introduces Learn About AI tool for enhanced learning.
Google has unveiled an experimental AI tool named Learn About, designed to provide educational responses that are more interactive and visually engaging than traditional chatbots. Built on the LearnLM AI model, Learn About focuses on educational research and aims to enhance the learning experience by offering structured content with context, vocabulary assistance, and related topics. In tests, Learn About demonstrated improved handling of complex questions by providing comprehensive answers with emphasis on learning rather than just facts.
Highlights from Google's first Web AI Summit.
The inaugural Web AI Summit, held on October 18, 2024, focused on client-side machine learning that operates offline in web browsers, offering benefits like reduced latency and enhanced privacy. Developers learned about exciting tools like Transformers.js, a JavaScript library that supports over 120 machine learning models and enables low-latency execution, and the proposed Web Neural Network, WebNN API, which aims to optimize AI workloads across various devices. Intel showcased the unified WebNN standard for on-device ML acceleration, while discussions highlighted the potential of technology like WebGPU for improving the performance of AI applications within web environments.
Sam Altman encourages founders to invest in AI technology.
Sam Altman believes that now is the best time for tech founders to invest in AI due to its rapid growth and potential. He expressed gratitude to Elon Musk for his early financial support of OpenAI, despite existing tensions between them. Altman emphasizes the need for startups to create lasting value, warning that while AI can drive quick growth, it does not guarantee long-term success.
Shifts in leadership at Google News amid industry tensions.
Shailesh Prakash, the vice president overseeing Google News, has resigned amid ongoing issues between Google and news organizations. His departure follows earlier layoffs within the team, which were attributed to overhiring of senior staff during the pandemic. This change is part of a larger struggle that Google is facing in its relationship with the news industry.
Top smartphones revolutionizing AI technology.
Apple's introduction of its AI platform enhances user privacy while offering advanced features like email drafting and custom image generation from on-device processing. Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra leverages dedicated AI cores for improved camera performance and smart resource management, resulting in enhanced responsiveness and battery life. Google's Pixel smartphone, powered by Tensor chip technology, excels in photography with features like Magic Eraser and integrates an advanced chatbot for real-time communication assistance.
Gemini app for iOS set for wider release.
The Gemini app is currently in a pilot phase in the Philippines, as confirmed by company spokesperson Elijah Lawal. A user has already managed to download the app, indicating its availability is expanding. The app offers features like Gemini Live Voice Mode, which is currently accessible through the Android version.
Mozilla CEO on AI integration timeline for browsers.
Mozilla's CEO Laura Chambers states that it will take 2 to 3 years before AI begins to significantly impact web browsing experiences. The company is focusing on a user-centered approach to AI integration, emphasizing transparency and open-source principles, with features like automatic image text generation already in place.
Frontier Math Benchmark reveals AI's mathematical limits.
The Frontier Math Benchmark, created by Epoch AI, features complex math problems that challenge AI's reasoning abilities, with current systems solving less than 2% of the tasks. This benchmark serves as a significant test for evaluating machine intelligence and highlights the extensive gap between AI capabilities and advanced mathematical reasoning.
Grok AI chatbot now being tested for free users.
X is testing a free version of its AI chatbot Grok, previously available only to paying users, with initial access reported in New Zealand. Users can make a limited number of queries and must have an account at least 7 days old, with a linked phone number to access Grok.
Instagram may introduce AI-generated profile pictures.
Instagram is exploring a feature that allows users to create AI-generated profile pictures directly within the app. Similar capabilities are being developed for Meta's other platforms, including Facebook and WhatsApp.
Building a unique AI landscape in Africa.
Africa's AI development is hampered by insufficient funding and inadequate infrastructure, yet it is also ripe with opportunity due to its young population and growing startup ecosystem. Innovative projects like Lilapa AI are addressing language barriers in AI, with initiatives like the Incuba LM model supporting various African languages, while researchers push for localized solutions amidst a lack of cohesive regulatory frameworks.
Northflank secures funding to simplify cloud deployment for developers.
Northflank has raised $22.3 million to streamline cloud deployment, allowing developers to focus more on coding and less on complex infrastructure configuration. The platform enhances Kubernetes usability, enabling faster application deployment while ensuring customer data remains compliant within their selected cloud environments.
Meta expands VR education initiatives with university partnerships.
Meta has partnered with 13 universities in the US and UK to test a new VR education product aiming to make virtual reality mainstream in classrooms. Additionally, Meta is introducing its digital twin Metaversity program across several European universities, starting immersive courses focused on subjects like physiotherapy and theater.
Intuitive Machines sets stage for lunar economy with new contracts.
Intuitive Machines has secured a pivotal cislunar communications services contract, enabling it to provide essential data transfer and analytics for lunar missions, which CEO Steve Altemus believes forms the basis for a lunar economy. The company has leveraged its experience in communication and navigation technologies developed for previous missions, positioning itself competitively against traditional space entities in addressing lunar-specific challenges.